Hello, this is Dr. Hobble, and I'm going to help you with this problem involving some tape diagrams. So part A says, what percentage of diagram A is shaded? So the first thing we want to do is figure out how much does each part represent. And then we'll use that to figure out how much is shaded. So we'll use that approach on all of these, and you might even be able to use these questions to go ahead and pause the video and try these on your own, and I would encourage you to do so. So first in part A, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts total. So if we have 10 parts total, then we want to think about if 100% is broken into 10 parts, then what is the size of each part? Well, 100%, if we divide that by 10, because this is a division problem, we have a large group of things broken into a certain number of parts, the size of each part, that's a division problem. So what is 100% divided by 10? Well, 100 divided by 10 is 10, because 10 times 10 is 100. So this would be 10%. So the size of each part is 10%, and if we have one of those parts shaded, then what percentage of that diagram is shaded? 10%. So number 2, one part is shaded, that's just 10%. Whereas if we had 2 parts shaded, that would be 20%, 3 parts shaded, 30%. You get the idea. 4 parts would be 40%. So moving on to part B. Okay, first, how much does each part represent? So first of all, we have 2 parts total. So if we break 100%, if we take 100% and we break it into 2 parts, then how much is in each part? Again, this is a division problem because we have 100%, we're putting 100% into 2 equal groups, 2 equal parts, so the size of each part, we can get that by taking 100 divided by 2. So 100% divided by 2, that's going to be 50% because 50 is half of 100. So number 2, part 2 of this problem, one part is shaded. So what percentage of the diagram is shaded? 50%. Whereas look, if both of them were shaded, if 2 parts were shaded, that would be 100%. The entire thing would be shaded. Okay, part C. First, let's figure out how much each part represents. So there are 4 parts, you can count that, 4 parts. So if we take 100% and we break it into 4 parts, so if 100% is broken into 4 equal parts, then the size of each part is what? Remember, this is a division problem. We can do 100% divided by 4. And what's that going to be? If we take 100 and we break it into 4 parts, each part, we're going to have 25% here. But how is this problem different from the other ones that we did? What makes C different? We can even go back and look. What makes C different? Turn off my computer volume. So C is different because multiple parts are shaded, right? We can see that. So we're going to have a little extra work to do. So for this one, we have 3 parts are shaded. So we have 3 times 25%. Which, what's 3 times 25? We can count by 25s. 25, 50, 75. So 75% is shaded. Alright, thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.